go, Spice. I need to go. Can you please hurry up? I need to go. I need to go. Fine, we're going. It's a restroom. Hurry up and stop. I need to go. I need to go. I'll be out real quick, okay? Just wait for me here. Okay, hurry up. Just go, just go. I'm so bored. Okay, I'll be quick. Spice, there's no toilet paper. What am I supposed to do about it? I think we have some in the trunk. Let me check. Why do you have toilet paper in your trunk?
No.
There you go. Ah!
Oh my god!
Hello, my little pies. And today I'm with Cupid. And today we're gonna help this poor little dog go potty.
I'll go potty.
Exactly.
I'll go potty.
Now we're gonna help her. We're gonna open up this unicorn slime. Oh, it's a cute little unicorn. Look at the cloud. It's so sad. Oh, look at all this. Look at this little queen slime right here. This little panda slime. That is so cute. I want the panda one. That's so cute. Or the pineapple slime. I would love slime to come out like this or this. Just take off this sticker. Yeah. Let's make slime, add magic, change colors, and store slime in its butt. Oh, no, I broke it. Oh, I should have taken this off first. I broke it, and it's beautiful. Ooh, cutie pie! Go, 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 cutie pie! Yay!
Oh, that's taking more.
Wow. Oh no, we're just breaking everything today. Making me so sad. Oh, okay, now I got it open. We have a unicorn magic. Our surprise scent. And our magic spoon. I want to open this up? Okay, let's see what we have. I think it's the bottle. Oh! Dunkin' Deuce. Dunkin' Donut Cup. Oh, look at the little slime right here. Looks like chocolate. Healthy stuff. Yeah, we open it, huh? Oh my gosh. It is so cute. I love how you can open it. There's some extra chocolate on the top too. It's all holographic. It's so pretty. How cute is that? Okay. Ooh, it's like this cute little donut. Okay. Let's see who this cute little chocolate donut is. Well, strawberry donut. Cutie pie, don't eat it. It's a heart, so that means it's a regular. Hoping for a rare or an ultra rare. Let's see what's in here. I think it's the cup. Probably the cup. Oh my god, it's a dark pink cup. It's like this nice pink. It's a glittery. I think this is a magic spoon. Oh, it's a gold magic spoon with a unicorn. Here, you want it? Here's a unicorn magic surprise scent. Okay, want to open up the surprise scent?
Pink.
Yes, it's pink.
I want the pink.
You like it pink? Yeah. Uh-oh. Ooh. It's a little unicorn horn. It looks more like a carrot, though. You want to smell it, cutie pie? Let's smell it. Okay. Smell it. Got some on my nose. Smells like a coffee, which is understandable because it's Dunkin' Donuts. I want to re-see her. She has a cute hot pink lipstick. Cute sparkles in her eyes. And this nice little swirly swirl with the donut. You love pink donuts, huh, Cutie Pie? And this little unicorn chain. Isn't that adorable? I think you can open her. Let me see. You can open her. So now, in my Dunkin' Donuts cup, let's make slime. There's also brushed daily, the Dunkin' Donuts company. Okay, healthy stuff, fruit juice, ham sandwich, and candy. That's how you make slime. Okay, you want to make our slime, Cutie Pie? Okay, now we're gonna put up the fill line.
Thank you so much.
Okay, it's up the fill line. Now let's open our Dunkin'
Thank you so
Donuts.
much.
You're welcome. Okay, I'll pour that in there.
Sorry.
Let's pour it. Woo! Okay, one more. Okay, there you go. Up to the fill line. Put it in set. Now, since we got our water in there, we gotta put our scent in our unicorn food. You wanna see what color it is? It says it also can color change. It's like this purple. Now we're gonna put the scent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we gotta put our lid on.
Hey, no.
Coffee lid.
Hey, Dodo. Dodo.
You wanna shake it up? You wanna make slime? Uh-oh, almost came off. Now let's mix it up for 1 minute.
Oh, man. I'm missing coffee.
So it's been about 10 minutes, huh, Cutie Pie? So we're gonna see how our unicorn slime is. Ooh, it's like this purple. Wow, purple. It's my favorite color. Look at that. It's kind of more like maroon. Wow. I think it's like, it looks like jelly. You want to put glitter inside? So we're going to put it here so it won't make a mess. It's unicorn magic. We're going to put the glitter inside.
Dodo.
Ooh, it looks like flour. You want to mix it, Cutie Pie? Oh, let's mix it. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's all full of shimmer. Come on, Cutie Pie, mix it. Ooh, is it color changing?
Yes.
The powder is very, very thin, huh, Cutie Pie? Okay, come on, let's take it out. Let's take it out. Let's take it out. Okay, now let's mix it right.
Mom.
Is it color changing?
Give me. It's my
It's like a brighter, this dark maroon. Now it's like this
mine.
lighter purple.
But give me. I'm making messy. I know.
Uh-oh. Wow. Look at this unicorn slime.
Go away.
Such a pretty color.
Go on. Do the beach.
Magenta probably? Yeah, looks like magenta.
Oh.
Ooh. I could put it in here. I could put it inside the unicorn. You also put it inside the unicorn. Also put some inside the unicorn if you want to. Oh my gosh, there's still a lot in there. The powder, there's so much powder. Oh my gosh, look how much is down there. Let's pick up all the extra sugar glitter. Big a humongous mess. Okay, I'm gonna put some inside the unicorn. Oh look, it looks like a little slime swirly. Now we can put it in here as well. Oh, we made an explosion right there. You like it, kitty pet? Oh my god, look at my hands. All pink. It's pink glitter kind of, but look pink. Oh my gosh, my hands are all like little purple kind of. It's like a mushroom coffee. Okay, what do you think, kitty pie? Glitter is really, really messy. Oh, how do you feel? I feel so much better. Okay, come on. You can play with this while we're going. Come on, Spice, let's go. Anyways, bye-bye, my little pets. Oh no, Spice, you have to go drive. My hands.